Hi everybody, my name is Eglo and come from Tempo.
Hello from Stillsoft, it's Irina.
It's Natalie.
And Katerina here.
Hello, én az Antal vagyok a Kommunádótól.
Hi, I'm Patrick.
Hi, and I'm Nikki. We're both from Yazoo, a German-based marketplace vendor.
Hi, I'm Maria with Excelly.
Hey, I'm Björn from Resolution, and I'm really looking forward to the META-INF Atlassian Day in June.
Tempo is an Icelandic established company, but we're located in Montreal, in Boston, and Reykjavik, Iceland. I'm so excited to be in Budapest in June. We're going to be taking you through Cost Tracker, our financial tracking tool, Tempo timesheets, how you're able to understand where your resources are investing their time, and also resource planning with Tempo Planner.
Stillsoft is a Platinum Marketplace Partner.
Our distributed team develops and supports more than 25 apps.
And it will be our 4th META-INF Atlassian Day in Budapest.
We are excited to meet all the members of our huge and friendly Atlassian community in person after a long break.
Our apps have evolved a lot since 2019, and we are going to present new use cases, features, and macros of the table filter and charts for conference and our other apps on stage and at our booth.
So let's keep our fingers crossed.
Jövök június sporozzátok, Budapestre és örülök megint emberekkel találkozni Európában, és nem csak itt Las Vegasban. Én meg fogom nektek mutatni egy kicsit, hogy lehet a Digital Workplace-t összehozni Atlassian és most Microsoft produkttal közösen, és tanulni többet tőletek.
I'm in our headquarters in Belgium, but our team also sends you regards from Ukraine, India and Costa Rica. When you're in Budapest, please find me if you want to talk about team collaboration, cross-company collaboration, integrations, or latest Star Wars series.
At the moment we are here on Team 22 and we meet all the customers, all the partners, but hey, Budapest is much nicer and let's do it in June again. Looking forward to see you there.
We're very excited to meet you all in Budapest at the Atlassian Day.
We're also super excited to show you our integration between Microsoft 365 and Jira. Can't wait to see you in June. All the best from Yazoo.
Can't wait to see you in June. All the best from Tempo.
See you in June.
All the best from Stillsoft.
See you in June, all the best from Comunado.
See you in June, and regards from Excelly team.
See you in June. All the best from Resolution.